Well, the Down with Monarchy slogan is ringing loud in Spain too. Former king Juan Carlos has fled the country. It's a scandalous escape. He's facing a probe for receiving kickbacks from Saudi Arabia. His role as a middleman in a high-speed rail project has come under the scanner. What a humiliating fall it is for a man who transitioned Spain from dictatorship to democracy.
Running away like a coward. Stay and face the law. Return all the stolen money. The citizens of Spain are angry. Their former king, Juan Carlos, has fled the country. A cloud of scandal hovers over the once popular but divisive figure. He is facing an investigation at home and abroad for corruption. In a letter to his son, King Felipe VI, he said it is time to go into exile outside Spain. The entire country is gripped by shock and speculation. Some claim he went to his childhood house in Portugal before taking flight to the Dominican Republic. Nobody knows where he is, but no doubts remain over why he left.
I think it is really bad that we let him go. He should have to stay here, return the money and do prison time like all Spaniards when you break the law.
In 2008, $100 million was secretly transferred into one of his Swiss bank accounts. A gift from the late Saudi King Abdullah. The scandal came to light after a former mistress of Juan Carlos spilled the beans to the media. She said Carlos received the money as commission. A consortium of Spanish companies were awarded a high-speed railway contract to link the holy cities of Mecca and Medina in Saudi Arabia. As a former king, Juan Carlos enjoys no immunity against these allegations. Only the current king, the head of state, gets constitutional protection in Spain. In 2014, he vacated the throne for his son King Felipe, who has distanced himself from his father's affairs. He not only renounced his father's inheritance, but also withdrew the annual royal allowance. The rule of Juan Carlos ended with scandals. His daughter and son-in-law faced a corruption investigation, and a controversial elephant hunting trip to Botswana during Spain's financial crisis sparked public anger.
This is very disagreeable, but I'm a Juan Carlos fan. But it is bad what he has done, and then there is also his history.
Juan Carlos took the throne in 1975 after the death of General Francisco Franco. Under Franco, Spain suffered the ills of dictatorship, but Carlos guided Spain to democracy, a new system of parliamentary monarchy. Carlos even dismantled an attempted coup in 1981. In Spain, King Juan Carlos will still be a historical figure, but not one who will be remembered kindly. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.